Hi guys, so this is basically my setup for the Ironman 70.3, which is going to be there in Goa on 13th of November. So this is the mile in blade. This will basically tell my cadence and speed. Cadence is number of times. So this is the sensor. Cadence is basically number of times I'm pedaling like that, and this gets picked up here, which will tell me the speed. This is my water setup, basically 1.5 liters. It has a pipe which will go all the way till here, and like this I can, while in the aero position, I can just have some water. This is the computer, bike computer, to which everything will be relayed to. There's a small hand pump. Basically you can remove this, because on the course, if I have a flat tire or something like that, I have to repair it myself or wait for the technicians to come, which will take some time, so can't afford that. So I'll have this, which you can just put it back here like so. This is my aero bars. Basically, I know this is not the ideal setup for this, but what to do? It's quite comfortable, and I don't think it should reduce any aerodynamics. I don't know, let's see. I don't think it'll make a much of a difference. And this is my cycle. So this is my setup